Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if someone has blocked you on Truecaller. Now, if you suspect someone has blocked you, try calling them first. If the call goes straight to voicemail after that one ring, that could be a sign that they have actually blocked you. So I'll go ahead and call, let's say this one, right? Let me call someone who has actually blocked me from the other number. So this one right here, and I'll go ahead and call. And after that one ring, right, goes straight to voicemail, as you can see. Probably will not hear that though, but that's a sign that they've blocked you. And if you try sending them a text message, and if it doesn't go through, right, that indicates that they have probably blocked you. If the message fails to deliver, it doesn't even show up as read. That's another sign. And if you can no longer see that person's last seen status on Truecaller, that could also indicate they've blocked you. And lastly, what you can try doing is you can try using another device, another number, and if you can not get through to that contact, but their friends or your family, right, from the other number, they can go ahead and get through to them. It might be a sign that you have been blocked. Okay? It's really that easy and simple. I hope this helped.